got something different on the menu today. The 2017 Ram 1500. It's getting the 8-inch FTS lift kit with some beige accents on the lift kit and on the wheels too. Some 24x14 TIS wheels and 35s. We'll see what it looks like. So FTS offers a backing plate that you can put on the lift kit, and you can powder coat it the accent color that you use on your build. This is the one for the Ram. We use the same color powder coat on the wheels that we did on this backing plate on the lift kit. Let me know what you think. I think it looks pretty cool. It's gonna match really nice on this black truck. Well guys, we got the Ram just about ready. We have to do some trimming on it and a couple little things. We have a test drive that we do on it. We retorque the lift kit twice and do 2 test drives. So to guarantee that when the customer leaves, there will be no issues with the truck. And that's number one for us. But take a look at the truck and let me know what you think. There were definitely some challenges involved with this one. Sometimes there are, and I'll go through it real quick. So first, I'll tell you what we put on the truck. We did the 8-inch FTS lift kit. Very, very sharp looking design. You know, more commonly we do these on the Chevrolets and the GMCs and things, but they do make lift kits for, you know, Ford, Dodge, Toyota, things like that. This your 8-inch cross member right here. Gives you enough height to put 37-inch tires on it. This truck was a little bit rusty. Of course, we deal with this from time to time. A lot of the trucks I work on are brand new, but some of them have been used and have a little rust on them. So we essentially had to rebuild the entire front end of this truck because of the rust. The new struts on the front of the Bilsteins 5100s, they're adjustable. We did new upper control arms, new lower control arms. I really don't think there was anything else major besides that we did. But other than that, the truck turned out very, very nice. FTS usually sends a shock relocation bracket in the rear of these trucks that maintains the factory shock, but his factory shock was very, very rusty. So I did figure out that the McGoy's Silverado shock fits very, very nicely in the rear of the Dodge. So that worked out. It's exactly the same length. So he has 4 brand new struts and shocks on the truck. The wheels that we went with are the TIS 560B. We had a custom powder coat job done by HG2 Customs. They did a beige color right here to accent the wheel. We also did the same color on the front cross member, but that piece isn't on there yet on the lift kit. There's a slide behind piece that goes in the front of the lift kit that will be that same color. And you will see that behind where it says FTS right there. Also, he brought us a front bull bar to put on the truck with an LED bar in it. Pretty sharp there. We did the amp research power steps right here. When you open, power step opens and then it closes. Overall, I think it turned out very nice. Oh, we did a bed cover too. A lot of people don't know we do those, but we do. So if you guys have any questions about this build or you want to price something like this, shoot me a call at the shop, 678-994-9180. Or you can reach out to me on email or Instagram. My email is jake@southerntire4x4.com. And the Instagram is @southerntire. And thanks for the business. Thanks for watching. See you next week.